Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best and most fun products out there. Today, we're diving into one of the coolest pool floats you can find, the Bigmouth Inc Giant Balloon Animal Pool Float. This is hands down one of the best Bigmouth Inc pool floats available, and if you're looking to add some fun to your next summer pool party, this is a must-have. First off, let's talk about the design. This pool float is designed to resemble a giant balloon animal, which is both quirky and nostalgic. The fun shape and vibrant colors will definitely make you the center of attention at the pool. It's not just a float, it's a conversation starter, a way to bring a bit of your childhood memories to the water. When it comes to size, this float does not disappoint. It measures a whopping 58 inches long and 55 inches wide, making it more than enough space to fit comfortably while you lounge in the pool. Whether you want to stretch out or just float with ease, this inflatable has got you covered. At over 4 feet wide, there's plenty of room for relaxation, and the inflated size ensures that you'll be floating high and dry. The comfort level is another highlight. The Bigmouth Inc Giant Balloon Animal Pool Float is made from durable vinyl, which not only makes it sturdy but also ensures that you get a smooth and comfortable ride. Now, let's talk about convenience. The float comes with a standard air valve for quick and easy inflation and deflation. Whether you're gently drifting in the pool or having fun with some pool games, this float will keep you comfortable all day long. This means you won't have to waste time setting it up or putting it away. It deflates fast and stores away easily, so you can have more fun and less hassle when you're not in the water. This is perfect for anyone looking to pack up their pool gear in a flash. Safety is also a key factor. Bigmouth Inc takes safety seriously, and all their products are tested to meet US safety standards. You can rest easy knowing that this float is safe for the entire family to enjoy. Plus, the vinyl material is resistant to wear and tear, so it's built to last through many summer seasons. And of course, with Bigmouth Inc, you're getting a product from a brand known for its creative and fun novelty items. From inflatable pool floats to quirky garden gnomes, they specialize in turning everyday items into a source of joy and laughter. This giant balloon animal pool float is a perfect example of their ability to mix humor with functionality. So, whether you're hosting a pool party, enjoying a day at the beach, or just looking for a fun way to relax, the Bigmouth Inc Giant Balloon Animal Pool Float is the way to go. It's fun, it's functional, and it's sure to make a splash at any poolside event. Make sure to grab yours today and take your pool float game to the next level. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome product reviews. See you next time.